EI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
No big surprises. You probably already know where we're headed, so let's just talk about it. Scattered storms Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 88 degrees. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, crazy 8s. I am doing something here every day, folks. We are looking at some new data. Let's get away from our forecast here, talk about the tropics real quick. Still watching a potential tropical storm. This is number 9. This is still very disorganized. It doesn't have a close center with it. It is moving quickly to the west-northwest. Signs suggest that this thing will be somewhere near Florida by the weekend. Will it develop? We just don't know, but we are thinking that there's going to be some sort of upper trough that will develop across the eastern part of the country by the weekend and early next week, and most likely that would deflect whatever were to develop to our east, away from the northern Gulf Coast, and that's certainly good news for local interest. But again, this thing hasn't even developed yet. Will it hit Florida? Will it turn into a tropical storm or hurricane? We just do not know at this point. So it could develop later tonight into tomorrow. We'll just have to wait and see. Our time lapse from Columbus this evening. Wow, look at all that great color. There goes the sun and an extra burst of color, pinks and oranges and reds. Always nice to see with some of those debris clouds in the wake of the showers and storms we had. And most of the rain now done in our area. Can't rule out a few isolated showers later tonight or early tomorrow morning, but we will likely see more coverage during the heating of the day on Wednesday, but pretty benign right now. We had a few rainbows spotted. This is one earlier. Always nice to see some rainbows. I call this rainbow season, these afternoon showers. Heavy downpours, nice rainbows, nice sunsets on the backside of this activity. And for tonight, 72 degrees. Some of you could be a little bit warmer than that. Some fog certainly possible, especially if you had rain this afternoon or early this evening. We had some of that earlier today. Probably the same story tomorrow. In West Point, we start out in the 70s tomorrow. By midday and into the afternoon, pop-up showers and storms. We may peak in the upper 80s, and then once these storms find your location, you may get some downpours, some breezes. That will cool you down into the 70s. But we'll just see how it all goes here. Some mid to upper 80s expected around our region. Now, we may see a little bit of fog. I think that's what Futurecast is trying to pick up on there with that light green, maybe a little bit of mist or something there in the morning, but better chances for some of those downpours as we get into the morning, afternoon, and early evening hours. A lot of that goes away tomorrow night, and guess what? We will have more of the activity on Thursday, probably Friday, Saturday too. Elevated rain chances here for the next 4 days. Upper 80s primarily, lows in the 70s. We'll lower those rain chances a little bit, get closer to 90 for Sunday and early next week, Scott.